Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, today I put out my face out here. I'm Emma, also known as Tells Emma on all the other social media platforms. So, you guys normally don't see the face behind the chats I always post on this channel. Reason being is I have a phobia for being watched. I hate being watched everything. But today I decided to come out to explain something we're going to start up in the Telegram group. That is the Traders Buy or Sell. It's going to be happening every weekend. This is going to just connect us traders to other traders and also try to put out other things we do aside from trading. I believe forex and trading any other financial instrument should just be a trading stone. As traders, we're supposed to get the funds from forex or crypto or anything else to invest in whatever we love or do and something that is very stable. As you all know, this money can be liquid or something like that. Should I say it's something like that? So no preparation today. I decided to come up and do this video. So many people are asking me, why don't you put your face out there? No, it's not that I'm shy or anything, but I just hate my face being out there in the open. So guys, whatever I'm going to start up in to the Telegram group, the link to the Telegram group is going to be in the description of this video. It's going to help us network as traders and also find that connection as traders. If you find a trader out there saying I only survive on forex, there is a mistake and there is a problem with that person. I believe what we are going to start up is going to help so many traders out there not only to grow in forex as we always do in the group, but it also help us grow in other business aspects as well again. So if you have enjoyed the Telegram group, just check the description. You'll find a link that will help you sell your services to other traders. It can be real estate, it can be anything you do aside from forex or financial trading. You can post it up there on, I think it's going to be Saturday and Sunday only, or only Saturday. We shall communicate that. Yeah, whatever you do, whether selling cars or anything. I know traders like to be fancy. They won't come out and say they're small side hustles, but as a trader, you should grow with it. You shouldn't be proud. You should put your business out there that, okay, yes, I do Forex, but aside from Forex, I do this too. Yes, it will help you grow as a trader, not only in the financial markets, but also personally to put you out there. So, I'd love to see you all join the group from today. Those who are not in the group, some people inbox me saying, "Yo, I'm only in the channel. I'm only in the channel that is the Traders Room. Guys, join the group. This group helps us network a lot. I believe there's a lot of pride in the group. Some people, no questions are asked. Everyone is looking like he's a pro trader, but at the end of the day, do you make withdrawals? That's the question. So join the group. This thing is called Traders Buy or Sell. Traders Buy or Sell. It's not that we're going to put up a marketplace or anything, but it's going to help us traders network a lot. Network a lot. Imagine the money withdrawn from the financial markets remains with us as traders. Like you literally know where you're going to get the money. I'm going to buy this. Maybe this person is selling furniture. I mean the sofa sets or anything. Or this person is doing maybe he's good at graphics. This person has a graphics company. A lot. It will help us network a lot. So also guys, thank you for making this channel reach 979. It's a lot, and there's a giveaway coming up. A giveaway of some, let me see if I have some dollars in here. Okay guys, I'm on my trading desk. So this is a Sunday. I'm preparing to record the overview for next week. I wish I would show you my station, but I'm not going to. So shall be giving out a few dollars in there. Shall be giving out a few dollar notes. Guys, let's just be ready. When you hit 1000, I'll think about it and shall give you the giveaway. Thank you for coming with me from zero. Someone told me last year in November that okay, it's going to be a struggle. It's going to be a struggle. It may take time to reach this point, but yes, I've hit it in the shortest time possible. I thought it would take a lot of time since in my country people don't tend to subscribe to YouTube or anything like that. But thank you for sharing this channel and keep sharing. Like this video. It's going to be short as possible. Now, I also start making content on a few things you people ask for in the channel, like how I use my fib ratios to determine my stop loss and also my take profit. I'll make a video about that. how I identify support and resistances using other tools. I'll make a video about that. Then other projects you're supposed to invest in apart from forex trading. I'll be sharing skills, so many skills out here. I'll be putting them on the channel. I know I'm too lazy. I'm a lazy person in making content. That's why I just bump into the screen and I'm like, okay, let me analyze this. And at the end of the analysis, in my head, I'm like, okay, let me post this actually. I don't just sit down and write a script of what I'm going to shoot. I don't do that. I believe that everything is up here. So once I come to the chat and I believe I've spoken a lot of sense and this video may help someone out there, I put it out there on YouTube. That's why you find sometimes there is no thumbnail or anything, but at the end of the day, the information I want has reached people. It has helped someone out there trade and it has pushed someone for the next day. So forgive me for not looking into the camera like other traders do, where I'm supposed to focus into the lens, but I'm new to all this. Maybe I'll get someone to instruct me on how I should do it. Yeah. So in the next video, right now, I'm going to record is our review for last week where we made crazy profit. I sent out some setups to the Telegram channel and also give us a view for next week. For next week, yeah, I'm going to be recording that and it will be out tomorrow. Tomorrow, I guess that is Monday morning. We're in East Africa. Yeah, I guess Monday morning. Yeah, it will be out on the channel. You guys can also watch that. One more thing, guys, like the video. Like the video. It doesn't make sense when you watch the video. The video gets 300, 400 views or 100 views and 13 likes, guys. So just help me like the video. So once again, traders buy or sell will help us network. Just wait and see. I'm going to push this with all my might and let's network, guys. Let's network. It doesn't make sense when me, a trader, I'm withdrawing money and maybe I want to buy new lights, maybe a new camera, maybe a new phone, and I'm going to a person who doesn't even know about forex. Yeah, it's better we keep the money in the circle. Like we have to make it like a community or anything like that, whereby okay, the chats have given me the money. Okay, then I know my trader friend. I'm going to go and give this person this money to buy, and I buy something from him. I'm not saying you should get it for free. I buy something from him. At the end of the day, he has to find his account, and we're going to grow. Like we're going to grow as traders. We're going to grow. So thank you for watching this video. Go watch the next video. It's going to be powerful. I'm going to talk about a lot and a lot that I'm looking up to this week. Yeah. So this is my face. This is the MI guys here. See chatting in the group a lot. Yeah, I'm always free. I'm always on the station doing a lot of stuff, hitting stop losses and take profits mostly, and taking your stop losses too. I eat some post stop losses for breakfast though. That's a flex, guys. That's a flex. We're all here to make money, and I don't feel at peace if someone is stop loss. Most in the group has been taken, guys. Let's grow this community. At the end of the day, if we buy the cars, we call up and meet us traders. We want to see growth a lot, guys. We want to see growth a lot. So guys, like this video, share it with a few friends, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah.